Welcome to Pearson Bryson. My name is Conrad. I'm a business analyst, and I'm going to share an amazing strategy that might be great for you. You don't have to take this, but this is what we do. We just try to get the wheels spinning and get the light bulbs turned on. So let's get right to it. So, per the IRS tax code, you're able to depreciate a business vehicle for up to 5 years. Per this year, 2024, you can collect 67 cents per each mile that the car is driven from a business. And last year, 2023, it was 65.5 cents. So now it's 67 cents. It's more likely going to be higher next year and thus far and so forth. So what you want to do essentially is once you get a business car, you can actually allow your employee to drive it and keep it and go home with it, use it for their own personal needs, etc. This could be another benefit that allows your employee to stay with you for a longer period of time. I'm just sharing different strategies on what companies have done to actually keep retention high for their employees, because it's the worst when you have a great employee. I'm not talking about a bad employee, but a great employee, and they leave you for higher pay. Sometimes giving them benefits is what makes the difference for them staying or leaving. So some people, maybe they don't have a car, maybe they don't have the newest car, maybe they don't want a car that they have to pay for, or maybe they have bad credit. You never know what the case might be. Maybe they have a car, but they don't want to accrue miles on their car. So if you give them a car that they could accrue miles on, this is the cool thing where it's a business expense for you. You can get a tax write-off against get your income, and you can create a benefit for the employee. They could use the car not only for work projects, but they could take the car home as well. This is a business expense for you because you gave your employee a car that they can use essentially. So what you can do now is talk to your CPA or tax person. They can say the car is $10,000 for the sake of argument. Say they drive 10,000 miles, right? Standard mileage will reward you 67 cents. So 67 cents times 10,000 miles, $6,700. You get $6,700 that year as a tax write-off. Next year, if they do another 10,000 miles, there you go. That's the car is being utilized 100% by your employee. So talk to your tax person. I'm not your CPA or your tax person, but this could be a great benefit where you end up reaping way more than what you spent on the vehicle. So you're getting $6,700 per year, and the more miles that they accrue or drive, you get 67 cents per mile because it's being 100% utilized. You're not driving the car; it's being utilized by your employee. Really great benefit. Another strategy: run it by your CPA or tax person. Tax laws change constantly, and maybe by the time you watch this rule won't even exist anymore. But at this time, run it by your CPA. See if it all checks out before you pull the trigger. But this could be definitely a great strategy to build financial wealth for your business and also offer quite the incentive and benefit for your employee. Anyways, like, subscribe, share, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X, etc. Ciao.